Okay, so let's say you want to add text to a portion of your video in Shotcut. Maybe you want to give instructions, something like that. You forgot to say something in the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to have our project open. We're going to have it drag down in the timeline. We're going to split, move the playhead down here to the clip we want to split. We're going to hit S to create a split. Again, you're going to click on the section where we want the text. It's going to highlight in red. And then you're going to go hit the filters button up here. And you're going to click the little plus sign on the left under the filters subheading. And then you're going to search for text. And we're going to select the text simple option. And now you can type whatever you want. Now you're not going to see it. You got to drag the playhead to the beginning of that selected clip. And now you can see there's the default as a timestamp. So you can write whatever you want. And you can adjust the color if you want. You can change the opacity. You can adjust the positioning precisely or just do the general positioning. And it's really that simple.